Here we have this 70 plate BMW M135i XDRIVE in Mersano blue. It comes with the adaptive LED headlights, kidney grille in the centre, and we've also got the splitter at the bottom, making this front end look very aggressive. Now this vehicle comes with £10,500 worth of factory extras. A few to mention are the comfort package and the technology package. We've also got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue M Sport design caliper behind. This vehicle also comes with the adaptive suspension, side skirts running across the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles with the grey door mirrors. We've also got the colour-coded shark fin antenna with the black spoiler at the top of the tailgate there. As we can see from the rear as well, we've got the dual exit exhaust with the diffuser on the back. This car does look great from every angle. Now as we go to the boot and we just press the button underneath the BMW badge, this tailgate will automatically open. You can see we've got plenty of space in there for whatever you may need with the accessory net at the side, and as we just go up and press the button, the tailgate will close. This car does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the Dakota black leather with the grey stitching, Isofix points with the seat belts with the embroidery of the M Sport on them there. We've also got the electric windows and we have the door mirror just there. Onto the front, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats. Here we've also got the M Sport stitching just there. Both of these seats are heated and they are electrically adjustable on the side of the seat just there. Onto the door we've got the folding mirrors with the electric windows, child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside and turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake and we just press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard we're free from any warning lights. Onto the steering wheel we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift behind, and we've also got the volume button with the menu button for the heads up display with the paddle shift behind there. Now I'm just going to show you the heads up display. It is flickering and that's just for the purpose of the video. This does not happen in real life, and if you press the menu button you can see we've got the news and the radio there. Coming back to the steering wheel, we've also got the heated steering wheel function just there, so if you press that it comes up on the dashboard when it's on and off. Onto the main screen we've got the satellite navigation. We've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media and the Bluetooth audio and Spotify. Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go back to the main screen, you can see down the left hand side we've got the functions. This screen is touchscreen as well, so if you just go into settings and go all the way across to the interior lighting. This vehicle does also have the ambient lighting and it runs across the dashboard and on the doors as well there, and you can also change the brightness. Going back to the home screen into the apps, we've got all the installed apps on this vehicle, and we've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As we make our way down, we've got the dual climate control, we've got the heated seats on both sides with the heated rear window, we've also got the air conditioning, but I'm just going to keep that off as it does get quite loud. We've got the wireless phone charging, and we've also got the cup holders just here. Automatic gearbox with the dial and the function buttons for the screen and the different drive modes. So if you just press these, come up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse, and you'll be able to see on screen we've got the sensors on the right hand side and we've also got the camera with the guidelines on the left. Popping it back into neutral and keeping this car safe. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.